Web3 refers to the next generation of the internet that aims to decentralize control and empower individuals by leveraging blockchain technology and decentralized protocols.
Ethereum is currently the most prominent blockchain platform for decentralized applications (dApps) and smart contracts. It supports the development of various Web3 applications and has a robust ecosystem of developers, and projects Ethereum's native cryptocurrency.
Polkadot. Polkadot is a multi-chain platform designed to connect different blockchains and enable them to interoperate. It aims to address scalability and compatibility issues between blockchains by creating a heterogeneous multi-chain network. DOT is the native cryptocurrency of the Polkadot. Cardano ADA. Cardano is a blockchain platform that aims to provide a secure and scalable infrastructure for the development of decentralized applications and smart contracts, and Cardano's emphasis on security, scalability, and research-based development makes it an attractive option for Web3 applica.
Solana Sol. Solana is a high-performance blockchain platform designed for scalability and fast transaction processing. Solana's speed and scalability make it appealing for Web3 applications that require fast and efficient transaction processing.
FileCoin is a decentralized storage network that allows users to store and retrieve data in a secure and decentralized manner. It incentivizes users to provide storage space on their devices and rewards them with FIL tokens. FIL is used for paying for storage services and participati.